don't know what turns. Oh yeah, now you can't. Don't you ever do that. You've been putting me on Snap.
No, dude.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, Johnny. I have facial recognition on this. It's even, he knows who you are. You've been filmed so much.
Hey, dude, get that shit off me, bro. Him, man. He's the one putting the shit on, dude. Get that shit on him, bro. See, I don't need that. I'm already naturally black-faced. That's good. We got white.
Don't be racist, Johnny.
Don't want no light on me. White man.
All right, man.
Wait.
There's so many little fucking things.
Oh boy. And here we go.
At least 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes, Dotson's gonna throw up. It's gonna be on
Gotta hold
video.
it in there at least for 5 minutes.
First of all, I have a strong stomach. I haven't gotten seasick yet.
Oh yeah? You never.
Come on, Vincent.
This is Dotson's first ever dip. We advised against it.
Got you in.
What's gotten into us? Look what's in Dotson's mouth right now.
Straight up chew. Hey, Jack, my chin.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah.
It's all good.
My lip is burning.
I'm not gonna put that on right now.
It's got a little bit of fiberglass in it.
We're getting tactical. What does that look?
Football, dude. They put the little fucking structure.
No, they don't.
Yeah, football.
Dude, that's how I was smoking. Like, I fucking...
Cool story, bro.
I'm like super...
Normally, like, you'll do like, that doesn't have black, if you use the darkest color, you'll do like black.
Hey, Kay, why don't you give us an example?
Get it.
Get it.
I like to do it.
Alright, while I do, you guys gotta clear it.
The way I do it is like...
Still do the cross. But, and then once you have it on, it'll be like solid lines, right? So you fucking like take the thumb and you run it down and stuff like that together.
Hey, can I do a YouTube tutorial?
Yeah, because I don't even know how to do it. So you mean like lines like this, right?
Get back.
It's not even really like it's like a thick. You want to cover a good portion of the
You told me that about 10 minutes ago.
It's gonna get up
Yeah,
and
thanks.
You're like an avatar.
Avatar. Hey. That's awesome. You look like a hobo.
Yeah, let's wait for you like some black face paint. Get like
I wish I knew how to make them.
the whole point of face paint is to break up. So like when you look into the darkness, you're trained to pick up face, right? Just like the human form. Like the whole point of the ghillie suit is to break up human form. The whole point of face paint is to break up the silhouette of your face.
Yes. So you're supposed to put like lighter colors underneath your eyes and darker colors from
Yeah.
So this mustache ain't gonna help me. Final operation, you gotta go big. Kyle, you're the only one not doing it. But do the Batman eyes?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Batman eyes. He's busy.
It's contouring his face, guys.
Judging what kind of shit.
What'd you say, Dawson? Looking like that? You talking smack? Let's get it.
Hey, we'll just send it. Hey, we'll send it. Hey, gather up.
Let's get it. You're also on YouTube, bitches.
Is this not going on YouTube?
I'll send it for you. Yeah.
One more. One more. All right.
Grab these, just take pictures and be like, look how stupid this dead looks.
This is the future.
Yeah.
Final mission. Here it goes.